So they're a little dehydrated, but they're quite pudgy. Probably 3 weeks old. And we're gonna see how they do with bottles. Let me see, where am I starting at? A little over 20. Okay, are you ready? They've already been pottied. Are you hungry? Are you gonna like a bottle? He's okay, look. Just like mom. Oh, hello. Oh, he's thinking about it. It was a very noisy ride back because they're pretty hungry. Pretty hungry. So these guys are from the site that we've been helping out with some trapping and housing the feral and semi-feral cats. Sometimes it takes a little time for them to figure out the bottle, but hopefully, I know you're hungry. Ready? Oh, it's very tasty. I'm sure that Chloe would be more than happy to come out here and take over. There! Look! So tasty! You can do it! I know. It's so good. Just like mom. Oh, there he goes. And we have Latch. Oh yeah. Good job. Let's see, how much was that? Oh, that was only a little. That was only a little. We keep going. That was very good. You did it. What are you doing to that kitten over there? You can see the resemblance though if you've looked at, we set up a catalog for them just to help keep track, and you can definitely see the family resemblance. It's at tinykittens.com/Harvie, Harvie. Oh, look at you, you got it already. So there's 3 kittens, about 3 weeks old. Oh, now he's got the hang of it. Now how much? Oh, that was a good one. That was a fast, like at least 2 mil. 2 mils. He's probably at about 3 mils, which is good. Oh, does that feel so good in your tummy? You're so quiet. Oh. Oh, he wants more. He's trying to nurse on my finger. I was just giving him a little break to get used to having some stuff in his tummy. He's excited. They're definitely expressive. Here's the third one. We'll see if this guy wants a little bit. Well, are you a boy? Yep, those are boy bits. You ready? Do you want to try this? Give me your feetsies. It always takes a few tries for them to figure it out. But when they do, it's good times. See, your brother wants back. Oh, I should probably turn. I bet that milk is hot. I'm gonna go turn off the cooker. Come on, kittens, let's go. Okay, so we have 10 cats so far at HQ. 11 actually. We have, and probably we'll have another 1 or 2 tonight because there are still trappers there now. Here we go. Ready? Oh, I hear latching sounds. And quiet. That's good. Number 2 has just latched. Two down, 1 to go. Then we'll switch back. Let's see, maybe you want a burrito. You've got some big paws, don't you? Here, you can, and oh look. Look at his little tail. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh, Mason, what do you think about this? There's Mason. Mason's like, what are you doing to my new kittens? Okay, here, you go back here for a sec. You can digest your 3 meals. I'm gonna try a burrito. Are you making a yuck face? There you go. There you go, you got it. Keep going. It's about to happen. Good job. almost had it. Oh, you're close. So much quieter than it was a minute ago. There. Oh yeah, you got so close that time. Almost got it. I know, you can do it. You should be grateful you have a palate and kidneys. Oh, there you go. There we go. And we have latch. That's a good latch. So there are 2 trappers still out at the site and of course looking for the mom, but we've only had 1 female come in so far that needed to be spayed, and she was in heat and not lactating. She had a tiny bit of milk, but it wouldn't be enough to sustain 3 kittens, I don't think. And that was 3 days ago, so I don't think they would have made it that long. Even though they are dehydrated and obviously quite hungry. Let's see, how much was that? Oh, good job. That was like 4 mil. You are happy. I'm going to give your brother some more now. Because he was very patient. Oh. He's worked up an appetite again. Yeah, you let that settle in. Let's see, where are we starting? 14. Here, it's coming, it's coming. Ready? So it's a big help that they are latching on. They'll get the hang of it more in the next couple of days. So Auntie Gwen's going to take them tonight. And then we're going to figure out, I'm going to make some space for them, and then they can take over for the Clamona kittens with Grandpa Mason. They'll be, once that, you know, in a couple weeks when they're healthy and did you forget how to do it? That's okay. You'll remember in a minute. There you go. Oh, so close, so close. Yep, you don't chew it like that. It's okay, you'll figure it out. There you go. That was a good one. Let's see, that was another at least 3 mil, we'll say. So you're at 6 and you're at 4. That's pretty good. I guess we could have weighed you before. Want some more? You looking for more too? They seem pretty healthy, aside from being dehydrated and hangry. Little bit of nose crust and eye crust indicating upper respiratory infection, but that's pretty standard. We're not going to combine them with any of the other kittens because they're from a different colony and so have been exposed to different viruses and bacteria and things like that. So We don't want to cross-contaminate until they're... We'll cross-contaminate when it's time for them to meet Grandpa Mason, but we won't do that till they're healthy and ready. So they'll get bottle fed until they can start eating solid food. And then we'll go from there. Because we didn't have enough to do.
You were getting too much sleep.
You know, I was gonna get a whole night's sleep tonight because Aura finally started eating kibbles. And now I will too because Gwen's gonna be up with them. Auntie Gwen, yay! And then they should be big enough to not, I mean, they don't need feeding like every 2 hours once we get them back up to snuff. Mason is very curious. He's offering his milk bar. Milk bar services. I mean, I'm gonna get a warmer bottle. You guys like your milks warm, I'm sure. Mine's probably cold. Do you want yours heated up or are you good?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Can't get sticky in. That'll probably be warm in 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Macy, are you excited?
This one so the camera can
Sure. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, you're so cute. Is this a? Do we know if this is a boy or girl? This is number 3. Oh, boy. All boys. Oh, so cute. Do you want some more? Are you so hungry? Mmm. So tasty. I know it's exciting. It's very exciting. Here, let's try like this. Oh, no, yucky. Yuck. I feel like I spend most of my life trying to get cats to eat. Between Mason and Aura and what? Are you so hungry? Hmm? I My goodness. Do you have good lungs? Good lungs? Oh, here you go. Let's have it. That's tasty. No, it's not tasty. It is a little tasty, maybe.
Borrow Mason's food scale.
Yeah.
Clean it.
Uh-huh.
And bring it back tomorrow.
Yes. Oh, a flea. No. Get off of my kitten. We will, oh yes, Gwen's getting the cap star ready. Yeah, don't worry, we'll take care of those real quick. Where's your paw? Where's your little wrapper? There we go. Oh, so close. There we go. There we go. Good job. Good job. How much did we get that time? Ooh, a 4. Good job. Now are you happy? Happier? They say stomach capacity is 4 to 6 mil per 100 grams. I don't know how true that is. If you keep making noises, I'm going to keep seeing if you're hungry. Wake up. Hey, I've got some Kleenexes back there. Mason is watching. So we don't know how long these guys have been on their own. Long enough to be dehydrated and very hungry. But oh my. Mason's very concerned. You have a kinky tail too. Oh my. Alright. Now, do you need burping? Do you see Mason back there? He's circling. He's circling.
He says I'm doing it all wrong.
I know. He's like, baby, look. All you do is give them your milk bar. Alright. Should we go for another round? You should be starting to feel better now. Let me look at your mouth. Oh, your canines are just barely coming in. Let me look at your teeth. They usually have their teeth in or mostly in by the time they're 4 weeks old. And these guys are just erupting. So they're probably around 3 weeks. Okay, ready? And go. And go. Oh, I know. You can do it. Oh. I know. You have to get used to the bottle, because I don't think we're gonna... Now Mason's chirping at them. He's looking very... What's the word? All right. You're going to be so happy once your tummy's even more full. You're going to... I know you're going to figure this out. Macy. Oops. I guess you can't see his head over there. Oh, good job. Now he's talking back to them. Oh boy. Oh boy. It looks like he wants to steal them. There we go. Okay. Ah. Finally a good match. Mason, are you going to use the kitten litter box? Good job. That's nine mils plus whatever you got with Auntie Gwen. 13. That's pretty good. Your tummy feels full now. Are you going to be sleepy? Did you capstar both of these ones?
Sure.
Did you?
Both of these,
Oh, good.
Not number 2.
Okay. Do you do a quarter? Half? Quarter.
I'll trade you. Do you wanna? Okay. If you need a new baby blanket there, that one's not so flattering for. Oh.
Thank you. Auntie Gwen's doing the mean part. So the 2 of them have now had Capstar. She's doing the 3rd one. Capstar kills fleas. It starts working immediately and is safe for little kittens this size. So that's wonderful. Oh, good job. You're getting the hang of it. Mason wants to steal that kitten from you. There you go. Oh, good latch. Good job. You guys are going to be feeling much better. how cute they are. So cute. So noisy. What do you think? They're pretty cute. They're not bunnies yet. You probably should digest everything you've had. I don't want to feed you too much.